Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English for Everyone podcast. I'm Rachel.
And I'm Joey. We are so happy to have you with us today. Today, we are going to explore the world of modern living. We want to talk about how we navigate our social lives, our careers, and our personal growth.
That's right. And today we are taking flight. We are talking about travel and airport navigation.
Travel, Rachel. I love the destination, but I hate the journey. Last year, I got stuck at the check-in counter because my carry-on was too heavy. I had to wear 3 sweaters and 2 pairs of jeans just to board the plane. I looked like a marshmallow.
A marshmallow. That's a hilarious image, Joey. You should have checked the baggage allowance before you left for the airport.
Baggage allowance. That's the amount of weight or number of bags I can bring for free, right? Every airline has different rules.
Exactly. And you should always check in online to skip the long queues. It saves so much time and stress.
Queues. That's the British English word for lines, right? I'm all about skipping lines. But what about security? I always beep when I walk through the metal detector. It's embarrassing.
You probably forgot to remove your belt or empty your pockets. You need to place your liquids in a transparent bag and take out your laptop.
Transparent. That means see-through. And liquids have to be small, right? Like 100 milliliters?
Precisely. Once you clear security, you are in the departure lounge. This is where you wait for your gate to be announced.
Departure lounge. That's where the duty-free shops are. I always buy a giant chocolate bar I don't need. It's a tourist trap.
A tourist trap. That's a great idiom for a place that overcharges tourists. But Joey, keep an eye on the departure board. You don't want to miss your flight because you were eating chocolate.
Keep an eye. That means to watch closely. Okay, I'm watching. Oh no, the board says my flight is delayed.
Delayed. That's a common headache. It means the flight is late. If it's really late, you might miss your connection.
Connection. That's my second flight that takes me to my final destination, right? If I miss it, do I have a layover?
A layover is a short stop between flights. If you are stuck overnight, it's called a stopover.
Okay, Rachel, let's talk about the ultimate travel nightmare. I land in Paris, I go to the carousel, and my suitcase is nowhere to be found. It's lost luggage. What do I say to the agent? Do I start screaming?
No screaming, Joey. Go to the baggage claim office and say, "My luggage didn't show up." You will need to fill out a report and describe your bag.
Didn't show up. That's simple and clear. Should I say it's a black suitcase? Every suitcase in the world is black, Rachel.
Good point. Use a luggage tag with bright colors so it stands out, and always keep your valuables in your personal item.
Personal item. That's my small backpack that fits under the seat. Got it. No diamonds in the checked bag.
Exactly. Now let's talk about immigration and customs.
Immigration. That's where they check my passport and ask me questions, right? They always ask, what is the purpose of your visit?
Yes, you should answer clearly. Are you there for leisure or business?
Leisure. That's a fancy word for vacation or fun. I'm always there for leisure, Rachel. I'm a professional tourist.
And customs is where you declare what you are bringing into the country. If you have nothing to declare, you walk through the green channel.
Declare. That means to state officially. I usually declare that I am very tired and need a nap.
The customs officer won't care about your nap, Joey. Just make sure you're not bringing in restricted items like fresh fruit or seeds.
Restricted. That means limited or not allowed. Okay, no apples in my pockets. What about jet lag? My body thinks it's midnight, but the sun is shining.
Jet lag. That's the extreme tiredness you feel after crossing time zones. The best cure is to hydrate and stay awake until the local bedtime.
Stay awake. I'll drink 5 espressos then. Well, Rachel, I feel ready to explore the world. I'm booking a ticket to nowhere right now.
Nowhere sounds like a quiet destination. Have a safe trip, Joey.
Safe trip. I'll send you a postcard. Let's review our jet set vocabulary.
Vocabulary review. 1. Baggage allowance. Noun phrase. meaning the amount of luggage a passenger is permitted to transport without extra charge. Example, check your baggage allowance carefully. Some budget airlines only allow one small bag.
2. Transparent. Adjective. Meaning, of a material or article allowing light to pass through so that objects behind can be distinctly seen. Example, all liquids must be placed in a transparent plastic bag for security inspection.
3. Tourist trap. Idiom, meaning a place that attracts many tourists and where goods and services are more expensive than usual. Example, that restaurant near the Eiffel Tower is a total tourist trap. The food is overpriced and not very good.
4. Keep an eye. Idiom. Meaning, to watch someone or something carefully. Example, could you keep an eye on my bag while I go to the restroom?
5. Delayed. Adjective/verb, meaning late, happening or arriving at a time later than expected. Example, our flight was delayed by 3 hours due to heavy fog.
6. Layover/stopover. Noun. Meaning, a short stay in a place in between parts of a journey. Example, I have a 6-hour layover in Dubai, so I might go see the Burj Khalifa.
7. Didn't show up. Phrasal verb, meaning to fail to arrive or appear as expected. Example, we waited for the shuttle bus for an hour, but it didn't show up.
8. Stands out. Phrasal verb. Meaning, to be much better than other similar things or people. To be very easy to see. Example, a bright yellow suitcase really stands out on the luggage carousel.
9. Leisure. Noun, meaning use of free time for enjoyment, vacation. Example, the hotel offers many leisure activities such as swimming, tennis, and golf.
10. Declare. Verb. Meaning, to say something officially or publicly. Declare at customs, to name goods that you are bringing into a country. Example, do you have anything to declare, such as tobacco, alcohol, or luxury goods?
11. Restricted. Adjective, meaning limited in extent, number, or action, not allowed for general use. Example, access to the cockpit is restricted to authorized flight personnel.
12. Jet lag. Noun. Meaning, extreme tiredness and other physical effects felt by a person after a long flight across several time zones. Example, it usually takes me 3 days to get over the jet lag after flying from New York to Tokyo.
Use this bridge to explore the world. We are always here to help you.
Don't forget to check our community tab. We have a poll waiting for you.
Until next time, keep practicing and stay positive.
Bye-bye.